transformation is changing the way we create and deliver content. Content is being generated in more automated and agile ways and is shared across multiple channels. To stay ahead of the game, you not only have to produce content at the drop of a hat, you have to be sure that it will engage everyone who sees or hears it. In this world, systems which produce global content have to be connected together in smart ways. Introducing XTM Cloud 12.7 with intelligent connectivity, which enables enterprises to produce more and better content which communicates globally. XTM Connect enables faster, more agile localization by relieving you of the burden of time-consuming manual work. Connectivity has been a key theme of our past 3 releases, and XTM Cloud 12.7 is no different. Our Adobe Experience Manager connector has evolved to support continuous localization workflows. The Sidecar connector offers a better and more intuitive user interface. Creating projects in Marketo and Google Sheets is now even more efficient, while UI enhancements in XTM Connect for Git significantly accelerate product release cycles for project managers. In the fast-paced digital economy, change is the norm. Content workflows in XTM Connect help you manage that change. We put you in control. XTM Cloud's new REST API methods deliver enhanced connectivity and better integration options, moving you closer to your business goals. More options, great responsiveness, better results.
XTM Cloud is a fully connected localization hub, bringing all stakeholders together in pursuit of a common goal. Project managers, system administrators, and linguists are all connected and supported at every stage. The end result? Well, successful project delivery. It's that simple. XTM Cloud 12.7 delivers greater flexibility and independence. It enables you to drill down into the fine detail of each workflow and helps you paint the bigger picture, localizing content at scale in any number of languages for any number of territories with the minimum of fuss. Files with complex parsing requirements are common localization projects. Not every member of your team will be a technical wizard, and with XTM Cloud, they don't really have to be. Do you need to pre-program XTM Cloud to analyze files in a certain way? Do you need to exclude segments with sensitive information from the translation process? Or perhaps you want to make sure product names are not translated. We've got you covered. With XTM Cloud, as an administrator, you can configure file filters at the click of a button from a user-friendly interface. Regular expressions analyze text for inconsistencies, so you don't have to. If you'd like to see some segments with punctuation or lower or uppercase mismatches, XTM Cloud is here to help. Think of the countless hours it can save you. Instead of plowing through documents in search of inconsistencies, project managers can define custom regular expressions in QA profiles or just enable predefined regular expressions. And that's not all. Linguists can search text using regular expressions to find segments with all sorts of inconsistencies between source and target texts, including broken or missing placeholders, lowercase, uppercase, or punctuation mismatches. This is just a snapshot of what regular expressions can do. What they really do is they save you time, eliminate costly errors, and ultimately boost the quality of your work. As a project manager, the more information you have on the project, the better. Transparency and visibility are key. XTM Cloud gives you instant access to project updates through the project listing page.
XTM Cloud rolls out a pilot for AI-enhanced translation memory matches, powered by our partner, Systran. High-quality matches come from the synergy of high fuzzy matches from XTM Cloud translation memory and Systran machine translation. And the good news is, you don't need to spend countless hours on MT training to obtain high-quality matches. The right technology partner puts you in control of your projects and puts you in control of your costs. The more edits you need to produce a final translation, the higher the project costs. XTM Cloud shows you project costs before and after edit distance is applied. You have more flexibility with edit distance as it can be enabled for any workflow step.
Global communication in the 2020s means so much more than just translating words on a page. Let us help you speak to the world. The global demand for video content is increasing exponentially, and it's our job to deliver solutions that put XTM's clients in the best possible position to meet that demand. The new beta version of Interactive Previews offers translators ample visual context so they can make more informed linguistic decisions. Interactive Previews show subtitles in source or target languages. This way, quality or design issues are nipped in the bud, post-production work is minimised, quality is enhanced, and time to market is slashed. We'll help you preserve your message and brand values in any medium, any format, for any audience.
Interlanguage vector space is a game-changing benefit that XTM customers can take full advantage of. In building the NLP AA framework Interlanguage vector space, we have opened a new era for artificial intelligence in the localization industry. In the latest release, we've enabled bilingual term extraction to non-bilingual files such as TMX or XLIF. Now you can import TM and create glossaries at the same time. XTM Cloud delivers this benefit more effectively than any other translation management system. We've also tweaked other interlanguage vector space functionality in the new version, and we look forward to your feedback.
You told us what you wanted, and we listened. If it matters to you, it matters to us. And we're happy to deliver these 5 key benefits in XTM Cloud 12.7. 1. Intelligent connectivity and ease of use with enhancements for all of the major XTM connectors, including Adobe Experience Manager, Sitecore, Makedo, Git, and Google Sheets. This new release comes with more REST API methods, underlining our long-term commitment to localization between your technology stack and XTM Cloud. 2. We've introduced filter templates and QA checks based on regular expressions to give administrators and project managers greater flexibility, more granular options, and automation benefits for faster project delivery. 3. A beta version of AI-enhanced translation memory powered by Systron enables you to enhance your MT matches with translation memory. 4. In-context video localization. The global demand for video content is increasing exponentially, and it's our job to deliver solutions that put XTM clients in the best possible position to meet that demand. 5. We have extended the NLP AI framework interlanguage vector space. It's a new era for artificial intelligence in our industry. Welcome to the future of localization. With XTM Cloud's intelligent connectivity, you can streamline the transfer of content between systems. You can manage translations into multiple languages within the same user-friendly project framework. XTM Cloud. Why would you use anything else?